October 25, the waters burned too warm. From African shores, a whisper grew into a storm. Melissa was her name, born from the restless sea. 13 on the list that year, but oh, what she would be. Category 1 on Friday, but the ocean had it said. Those warming waters, 1.4 degrees above the wave. Things used to be, and in just 48 short hours, she rose to Category 5 with unimaginable powers.
185, the winds that tie the record books. 892, the pressure that the old earth shook. Melissa came so slowly, crawling 3 miles every hour.
And when she reached Jamaica's shore, she showed her darkest power.
Remember the children,
remember the lost,
remember the lesson,
remember the cost.
The waters are rising,
the storm's growing strong. We sing to remember,
we sing to live on.
New hope in Jamaica, felt the full force of her eye. The strongest storm their nation knew beneath that October sky. 6 to 9 hours she lingered, wouldn't let them go. 8 inches, 1640, the catastrophic flow. The mountains wept with landslides, the rivers burst their banks. In petty gold, La Diga took 20 souls, our thanks. To those who tried to save them, to those who held the line, to 25,000 sheltered through that terrible time.
185, the winds that tied the record books. 892, the pressure that the old earth shook. Melissa came so slowly, crawling 3 miles every hour.
And when she reached Jamaica's shore, she showed her darkest power.
Remember the children,
remember the lost,
remember the lesson,
remember the cost.
The waters are rising,
the storm's growing strong. We sing to remember,
we sing to live on.
From the Labor Day of 35 to Dorian's brutal dance, now Melissa joins their ranks. No storm left more to chance. The science tells us clearly what we've always feared was true. 700 times more likely in this world we're passing through. Cuba felt her fury, the Bahamas knew her name. But it's the slow ones, the crawling ones that magnify the pain. Not just the wind that breaks us, but the water and the time, when nature shows her power in this warm and changing climate.
185,
forever etched in history's pages.
892,
a warning that will echo through the ages. 44 we mourn today, 11 still not found, but their memory moves us forward, keeps our feet upon the ground.
Remember the children,
remember the lost,
remember the lesson,
remember the cost.
The waters are rising,
we must adapt and be strong. We sing to remember,
we sing to carry on.
So when October winds begin to whisper from the east, remember sweet Melissa and the lives of those deceased. Build stronger, plan better, let this history be our guide. For the storms are only growing and we stand here side by side. Oh, in memory of the 44 plus lives lost to Hurricane Melissa. October 2025, Jamaica, Haiti, Cuba, and the Caribbean. May we learn, may we prepare, may we never forget. This song commemorates our which tied Atlantic records with 1895 MT92. MB pressure at landfall in Jamaica on October 28. 2012, the storm's catastrophic impact was amplified by its extremely slow movement and climate-driven rapid intensification, serving as a stark reminder of our changing climate. And the need for improved preparedness in vulnerable regions.